Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and add extra baggage in Air India. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, all you have to do is first of all access your computer and go to your web browser and type in airindia.com, which will simply lead you to their official website. So right over here, all you have to do is tap on this option of prepared to travel on top and simply choose this option of baggage guidelines. Go ahead, tap on it. So right over here you will be able to see the guidelines regarding all of their baggage services. Simply scroll down until you find this option of prepaid baggage charges. Simply scroll again, tap on this learn more, and right now over here you will be able to find these three options. First is pay online. You can go to manage booking and simply purchase. Other would be pay over the phone. You have to call customer support for you to add extra baggage. Other would be pay in person. You have to visit the Air India city's booking office personally and simply pay for it. And here in this bottom section you will be able to see the price for the baggage. Right, you can see the weight over on top, and here in this bottom section as well you will be able to find, come over here, check out the prices accordingly and simply choose a method. So if you want to do it online, tap on this manage booking, simply enter the booking reference number of yours, enter the last name, tap on submit, and now there in this section you will be able to get yourself extra baggage option. Go ahead, tap on it, choose the bag number, baggage and the way, and pay accordingly, and you will be done. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.